Yeah, I stay with that stick on focus. Too big for my fake on my t-shirt poke. And it's one in their head if you think I'll be low.
What's clicking, y'all? It's Two Gun Glow. So today we're out here in Boynton Beach, Fort Lauderdale area, and we're about to leave. Came out here for a little vacation, but can't go nowhere without shooting some guns. It's been a minute since I shot my gun. I didn't bring my gun with me, even though I was legally allowed to. Just didn't feel like doing all that hassle. I had only carry-on bags. I didn't feel like checking in no bags. So we're about to be visiting Delray Shooting Center today in Delray, Florida. So there's a gun range down the street called Palm Beach Shooting Center, but it doesn't really have good reviews. Don't really want to waste my money and time going there. So we're about to hit Delray and see what's up with that.
See, I fell off once, but I won't do it again. Got my dog on purpose since I gotta get him off again. I done fell off once, but I won't do it again. I got my dog on purpose since we gotta get him off again. Say he gone off the score, but right now it's -10. Beat on my back, I don't do very well with friends. Lil Uzi hit him and it turned him to some man.
First box, we were just aiming in. I was trying to get the aim down right. Everything was in that center 5, but for the row 3, every single option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit all of them. I ran out of bullets. Last few shots. We're going to do a couple POV bursts. This gun is crazy, bro. The way the recoil just rolls off. That roll and delay recoil, bro. Amazing. Magazine steel. It's one of the best shooting guns I've shot in a long time. It's not ever. It's just so smooth. You can just definitely get your second shots right on target. I'm gonna hold you. I give the MP5 a solid 9.5 out of 10. Only thing that doesn't give it that solid 10 out of 10 is when I was shooting it, and it might be because of that one specific gun. It seemed like it tended to jam a little bit on the burst. If you didn't hold it down all the way, let the bullets run straight through, you try to burst it, it kind of seemed to get stuck a little bit more often than I would like it. Like, yeah, pulling that trigger back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you might take about 10, 15, even 20 seconds. But that is gone in 3 seconds, 4 seconds when you just, even bursting it, that's 12 shots right there. But it's a fully automatic gun. You can't get really better than that.
Yeah, I stay with that stick on focus. Too big for my fake on my t-shirt poke. And it's one in their head if you think I'll be low.